Question number 6. Subtract 10101 in base 2 from 11110 in base 2. Firstly, I would like to explain subtraction of numbers in the normal base that we know, base 10. Let's say we have 601 minus 234. Now, to write this in a stack form, we have 6, 0, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, this is 4, this is 3, and 2 in the place of 100, minus, so 1 minus 4, we have to borrow, so we borrow 1 from 6, so this becomes 5. So now it becomes 10. If you borrow 1 from 10, it becomes 9, and this becomes what? It becomes 11. Now, before we go, why is it that we borrow a single number, but what we are having here is not as we are saying that we borrow a single number? This is a base 10 number, and anytime you borrow a single number, a single one, you are going to borrow in tens. What I mean is that when you borrow 1 here, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, right? Now, and you carry it to the next digit here, so it becomes 10 because we are dealing with base 10. Anytime we borrow a number now, the number that we borrow to this side now becomes 10. 10 plus 0, it becomes 10. 10 minus 1, it becomes 9. 9, this is 9. So we have 10 left. 10 plus 1, it becomes 11. 11 minus 4 will now be what? Will now be 7. Now we have 9 minus 3, and that is what? That is 6. Also, 5 minus 2 is what? Is 3. So in base 10, we are going to we borrow in tens. Now, to solve this problem now, we have 1 subtract from, so this began number 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 in base 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is what we have now. So 0 minus 1, we need to borrow 1 here. So we need to borrow 1. So to borrow 1 here, this becomes 0, right? Now we'll carry 1 here. Don't forget, we borrow in what? We borrow in 2, so this becomes 2. Because we are dealing with base 2. The same way we have 1 here. This is 10. This is 10. So anytime you borrow a single digit in base 10, that number will be regarded as 10. So anytime you borrow a single digit in base 2, you borrow in what? In 2s. Now 2 minus 1, that is going to be 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So the final answer is 1001 in base 2. Now, what is the correct option? Which option corresponds to this? That is option C. So the final answer is C.